Alrighty, we've just got the DJI drone sent back. Let's see what it does. Want to get a test flight done before sunset. So I think I need to let them know how it goes. This box is sick. I sent them in like a box with barely any packaging. 1, 2 battery, 3 battery, 4 battery. Damn. Looks like a whole new package. Starting to spit with rain. Plus, yeah, look, I need to activate it all again. Activation. But let's have a look at the drone. Let's have a look at the fixed drone. Woo! Woo! For a second I thought I sent him my remote. So that ain't coming back. Oh yeah, the camera's got new stuff all over it. They look like new blades. New blades, new everything. Whole thing looks put back together. That was a pretty quick turnaround. I think that was less than a week. Oh yeah. Alright, now this is going to cut to me. Maybe I should just do an unboxing. This is the unboxing video. Tomorrow I need to do a test flight and then send them a reports or something. And then we can be back into videos. So next video will be me doing a test flight tomorrow. It's about to start raining here and the sun's already set, I think. See you tomorrow.